Welcome. This is a gentle 5-minute morning yoga for beginners routine to help wake up the mind and body for the day ahead, which is so very important. So let's begin seated in any comfortable position you like. We'll begin circulating the neck. Opposite direction. Now drawing the chin towards the left shoulder and begin taking the chin up and down, almost like a yes motion. Observing the stretch here. Maybe you're feeling one, maybe you're not. No obsessing, just observing. Release, taking the chin to the right shoulder. Again, doing that yes motion, drawing the chin up towards the sky and back down towards the shoulder. Back to center, rotating the wrists in a circular motion. Feeling all the clicks and ticks here. Now coming to the waist, let's find some organic movement, maybe circulating the waist in a circular motion, or begin to rock side to side. Maybe even get into the shoulders a little, whatever feels good here. Coming back to center, nice neutral spine. We'll inhale the hands overhead. Exhale the hands back down to your sides. We'll do this a few more times, moving at your own pace. When you're ready, take hands to heart center. Interlace your fingers and flip your palms. On the inhale, sending the hands overhead. On the exhale, drawing the palms towards the left, gentle side stretch. Inhale back to center. Exhale, side stretch to the right. Back to center, we'll take a twist, so taking the left hand in back, right hand on that left knee. Inhale, hands overhead. Exhale, twisting to the right, left hand on the right knee, right hand in back. When you're ready, release, coming back to center, making your way to a tabletop position. So wrists under shoulders, knees under hips. On an inhale, we'll drop the belly, gaze up for cow pose. On the exhale, rounding through the spine, gaze down for cat. And we'll continue this a few more times, syncing breath with movement. Once again, going at your own pace. Can go a little faster, a little slower. When you're ready, sending the hips towards the heels. Knees nice and wide here. Option to place a pillow under the hips if it's feeling a bit intense. or just keep the knees together if that feels good. We'll go ahead and press the palms into the mat. Begin gently rocking side to side, so we're really grounding the hips down here. We're getting into the groin, into the outer hips, into the lower back. And when you're ready, begin walking the hands forward, taking the forehead, chin, or cheek to the mat, or a block for added height today. Softening the shoulders, upper back with your exhales. No tension in the elbows and the fingers, the toes. Gently release, coming all the way up. Inhale, hands overhead. Exhale, heart center. Thank you for joining. Namaste. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to like it below, subscribe to my channel, and hit the bell icon so you don't miss any updates on future videos and live streams.